Does Spocket actually work? That's the question on every dropshipper's mind. You've heard the promises: faster shipping, high-quality products, vetted suppliers. But when you're building a business, you need more than promises. You need results. You need to know if this platform can genuinely deliver on its claims and help you build a profitable, sustainable store. Dropshipping has changed dramatically. The days of cheap, long shipping products from overseas are fading. Customers expect more. They want fast delivery, reliable products, and a professional experience. This is exactly where Spocket positions itself, but is it a reality or just good marketing? Let's break down what Spocket is, what it does, and whether it's the right tool for you. At its core, Spocket is a dropshipping app that acts as a bridge between your online store and a network of suppliers, primarily located in the US and Europe. This is a game changer. Unlike other platforms that rely heavily on suppliers from Asia, Spocket's focus on domestic suppliers means significantly shorter shipping times. We're talking a few days instead of a few weeks. For a customer, getting a package in 2 to 5 business days from a local supplier versus 15 to 30 days from overseas is a massive difference, and it's a key factor in building trust and generating repeat business. The platform's main selling point is its curated network of suppliers. Spocket claims to vet every single supplier, ensuring they meet a certain standard of product quality and reliability. This is a huge relief for dropshippers who have been burned by low-quality products and unreliable sellers in the past. You can even order product samples directly through the app to test the quality yourself before you start selling. This is a feature you won't find on many other platforms, and it's a huge step toward professionalizing your dropshipping business. The user experience is another major pro. Spocket integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix. The dashboard is clean, intuitive, and designed to make finding products and managing orders as simple as possible. With a few clicks, you can import products, sync inventory, and automate order fulfillment. This automation is a huge time saver, allowing you to focus on the most important part of your business, marketing and sales. So, where's the catch? As with any tool, Spocket isn't perfect. One of the most common critiques is the cost. While they offer a free plan to browse the catalog, to actually start selling and access features like branded invoicing and premium products, you need a paid subscription. The plans range from around $40 to $300 a month, which can feel expensive for a complete beginner. However, many users argue that the higher quality products, faster shipping, and superior customer experience justify the price. The platform is built for dropshippers who are serious about building a brand, not just a quick cash grab. Another point to consider is the product variety. While Spocket boasts a large catalog, some users feel that the selection is more limited compared to platforms like AliExpress. This is a trade-off for the curated, high-quality nature of the products. You might not find a million different variations of a phone case, but you will find a handful of well-made, reliable ones. The focus is on quality over quantity. Finally, let's talk about the competition. The dropshipping market is saturated with platforms. Spocket's direct competitors often compete on price, but Spocket's core advantage remains its focus on US and EU suppliers, which directly addresses the biggest pain points for modern dropshippers: slow shipping and poor product quality. Ultimately, does Spocket actually work? The answer is yes, but it works best for a specific type of dropshipper. If you're a beginner who wants to test the waters with a very low budget, it might not be the most economical choice. But if you're serious about building a reputable brand, delivering a great customer experience, and moving away from the common dropshipping pitfalls, Spocket provides the tools to do just that. The faster shipping times, vetted suppliers, and automation features give you a massive competitive advantage and a solid foundation for a long-term business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.